Alright guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today is the class 5 of this website development using WordPress process. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create posts and use taxonomy in WordPress. Alright, let's get to the screen. Okay, so I'm going to log into my dashboard. Okay, so on my dashboard, to my left hand side, I'm having posts. Under this post, I'm having all posts, add new, category, and tags. So don't forget, I'll be teaching you how to create posts and use taxonomy. So what is taxonomy in WordPress? Taxonomy simply is the category and the tags. So the categories and the tags, both of them are what is referred to as taxonomy in WordPress. So what do they really do? They are used to group a set of posts together. For instance, on your blog, you are blogging about motivation, news, and celebrity gist, for instance. So you have 3 categories of information on your blog. So categories and tags are used to group your posts to sections. So when people want to read anything about news, there should be a category for news, there should be a category for motivation, and there should be a category for celebrity gist. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to create your post. So let's go to the front end. On the front end, we have only one post here. You can see, hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Then we have the category uncategorized. So the category that this hello world belongs to is uncategorized. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to delete this post and create our own post and our own categories. So we are going to create 3 categories, which are the celebrity gist, news, and motivation. So we are going to delete this post right from our dashboard. So under post here, you click on all posts. So when you click on all posts, you will see all posts that you have created, the author and the category that the post belongs to, and the tag if you have used any tag. But on this post, no tag is being used. All right, so I'm going to delete this post. You can see if I hover it, you will see edit, quick edit, trash, view. So I want to trash it. So let me go to the front end and refresh the page. So you can see that no post is appearing here. So now, before we create our post, let's create the categories that those posts are going to fall into. So we are going to create 3 categories. Okay, you click on category, so you give your category a name. So I want to give it a name. We have motivation. So my first category is motivation. If you have parent category, always leave this slug empty. Automatically the slug will be there by itself. So parent category, if you have a parent category, you choose your parent category here. Okay, for instance, under news, for instance, if news is a category, you can have under that news, you can have local news, foreign news. So which means you are having 2 categories of news under news. You have the foreign news and the local news. So if you have such case, then you choose your parent category to be news here, while the category you are creating will be local news or foreign news. Okay, so the description is not necessary. You may describe it, you may decide not to describe it. So I want to add new category. Okay, so to my left hand side here, you can see the new category that is just created, motivation. Okay, so this uncategorized has been there by default during installation. We cannot delete it. You can see this one, we can delete it, but this one you cannot delete it, and it will be showing on the front end. So the best thing is to edit it. So let's make it our second category. The second category is news. News, right? News. So updates. Okay, so that is the second category. Okay, let's create the third category. So we have two categories now, motivation and news. So the third one is celebrity. Celebrity gist. Celebrity. Okay, so I had new category. So we have successfully created three categories, which are the celebrity gist, motivation, and news. So let's go ahead and create tags. I said it earlier that both taxonomies, the category and tags, are used to group related content together, related posts together. So now under news, I may have 10 different news that the name of the president of a country is being mentioned. For instance, let's assume that the name of the president of a country is Phillips. So I can add new tag. Then let's assume that another name is being mentioned in another set of 5 news, like Ola. Okay, add new tag. So we've been able to create 2 tags. Okay, let's go ahead and create our post. I will click on add new. Under post, click on add new. So the first thing is our title, the title of our post. Okay, so I have some posts here that I will be using for this tutorial. So the title of my post is 7 Fundamental for Google Optimization. I'll copy it and paste in the title column. So I've pasted that. Then I'll come to the left top corner here. You will see this plus sign, add block. Whatever you want to add to this page is controlled by blocks. Whatever content in my first class, I explain different contents that you can have on your page, like videos, images, and the rest. So under this block, you will see paragraph, heading, list, quotes. There are so many blocks here that you can try out. But because I want to do text formatting, I'll be choosing classic to format my text. So I'll copy my post, the body of the post, I'll copy it and paste here. Okay, so I can format this post anyhow I like it. For instance, I want to turn this to a link. I want it to link to another website. I will click on this and paste my link here and click on apply. So this link can link to external website or within the website. Okay, so now if I want to bold these items, I can click on bold. I can select them and click on this B. It will bold them. because they are lists. If I want to turn them to listed items, I can click on this bulleted list or numbered list. It will number them. So you can check this block classic and see the different way you can format your Word document. Okay, to the right side of my screen here, I have posts now. So under post, you will see categories. The three categories that we have created are here: the celebrity gist, motivation, and news. So which means you can choose the three categories at a time if you like, depending on the type of post you are creating. So let's assume that this post falls to the category of news. So I'm selecting news, I'm leaving the other two. So from here I can add category also, but we have created three categories before. So I'm choosing news. I can add tag. One of the tag we've created was Philips. So if I type, it should pop up. Okay, so it will pop up. Okay, then I can have feature image. I've downloaded some images here that I want to use for this tutorial. Okay, so I can drag it to my browser and drop files to upload here. I can drop it here, it will upload. Then I'll click on set featured image. So this is my image. Then I can publish this post, but before we publish this post, you can see under here allow comments, allow ping back and track back. In my previous tutorial, I've explained what ping back and track back is. So if you want to allow comments on this post, you tick mark this. If you don't want to allow comments, you uncheck it. Okay, so if you want people to comment on this post, you mark it. If you don't want people to comment on this post, you unmark it. Okay, now let me publish this post. This post is being published. You can see here to the bottom left corner, view post. If I want to view it, okay, so let's go to the front end and refresh our page. Okay, as you can see, the very first post is here, which is top fundamental for Google optimization. Okay, so this is our feature image that we added while creating the post, this image here. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard and create another post. Okay, you can see this is another post. So to create another post, you click on add new. Add new. So like we did in the first one, let's add our title. It's just the same process. Okay, so the first one was news. Let's put this one to be motivation. Okay, motivation. We had our image. Let me have this image. We had our image. Let me put this one to be holla, the tag. Okay, then I can allow comment and publish. Okay, let's quickly create the third post. Also add new. Okay, put my tests, then my classic block, and the body of the post. I paste it. Then I come to the post here and add celebrity gist. My category is celebrity gist. I may decide not to add tag. I may decide to add it also. So let me put my feature image. Let me choose one of the images that I've downloaded. Okay, choosing this image, drag it to my browser and drop it here. Another method you can use to upload your file is to click upload files here. Click on upload files, select file, and look for where the file is. So my own file is on my desktop, and in the file I want to locate the image I want to upload. So I can upload this image. So you double click on it and upload. Okay, set featured image. Okay, this is the feature image. Then I can publish. So let's go to the front end and check our post. We have posted 3 posts. So you can see, okay, there's an issue here. Okay, the second post, we did not put the body. I think I skipped it. What's the title of the post? The 3 article writing. Okay, let's quickly edit this. Okay, edit. Let me go and copy. Okay, I will choose my classic block and paste my post. Then to this post here, I'm choosing motivation. Okay, I've added image already. Okay, let me refresh this page. Okay, so these are the 3 posts we have created: internet marketing tips, 3 article writing, top 7 fundamental. Now, if you look at this post, you can see that we have celebrity gist here as our category, motivation as our category, and news as our category. So these posts, these categories here, they are links. So on the front page now, I can see the 3 posts. But for instance, I'm a visitor to this website. I don't want to see anything that has to do with celebrity gist. I don't want to see anything that has to do with motivation. All I want to see is the news. So I can easily come here and click on this category, news. So as you can see, it will display only posts that are in the news category. Okay, let's create another post so that we can have 2 posts in one category. I've returned to the home page. Okay, I want to add new post. It's the same process. Writing good article. Put the topic. Then I select my classic block. Then the body of the post. Okay, let me choose my, okay, it should be in the celebrity gist. Then my feature image and publish. Okay, let me refresh the front end. So on the front end now, we now have 4 posts. The post that is displayed here is the latest post that you post. So now we have 4 posts. We have celebrity gist, motivation, and news. So we have them in categories. But now I don't want to see anything that has to do with motivation and news. I want to see only posts that are about celebrity gist. So I can click on celebrity gist. You can see it will neglect all other type of posts in other categories and show me only the ones that are under celebrity gist. So you can see the 2 posts here as celebrity gist. They are under the category of celebrity gist. All right, so that is that on taxonomy, and how to create posts. So in this tutorial, we've been able to cover how to create our posts and how to create category and tags. Okay, so that will be all for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. I will be uploading useful content for you to become an expert in the field of website development using WordPress. Thank you for watching this tutorial.